Default text: a step-by-step guide to acquiring unusual sigils in Devas. Unusual sigils are a valuable crafting material in the game, essential for completing quests and creating specific items. Here's a quick guide on how to get them. Step 1. Locate Lillian Grave's shop. Where to find her? Lillian Grave runs a grocery store in the town of Devas. Directions. O. From the main entrance of Devas, go straight. O. Pass Grander Stone Stride on your left. O. Keep going until you see a bridge. Don't cross it. O. Turn left and spot a large statue. O. Behind the statue, you'll find Lillian's shop, easily recognizable by the giant purple potion bottle hanging above the door. Step 2. Purchase unusual sigils. Cost: each unusual sigil costs 100 essence tokens. Value: these sigils are more valuable than basic ones but not as rare as the higher tier sigils like Enigmatic, Mystic, or Celestial. Step 3. Use unusual sigils. Purpose: unusual sigils are essential for crafting and fulfilling quest requirements, making them a key resource in the game's economy. By following these steps, you can easily acquire and utilize unusual sigils to enhance your. And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and bye bye and take care.